Adding charts to your presentation allows you to communicate data in a visually compelling way. To insert a chart, go to Insert, then hover over Chart. You have a couple of different options. If you want to create a chart from scratch, you can choose the chart type. If you instead want to import a chart that you previously made in Google Sheets, click From Sheets. A new window opens with all of your spreadsheets. Choose the one that has the chart you want, then click Select. In the next window, select the chart that you want to import, then make sure that Link to Spreadsheet is checked. This is important. If you uncheck this option, you won't be able to edit your chart after you import it. When you're ready, click Import. The chart is added to your slide. If you want, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the sizing handles. Use one of the handles in the corner to prevent the chart from stretching out of proportion. You can also click and drag the chart to reposition it. In order to edit the chart, you have to open it in Google Sheets. Click the drop-down in the top right corner and choose Open Source. It may take a second or two, but the Google Sheet will open and you can make your edit. To make formatting changes to the chart, right-click and choose Chart Style. In the pane that opens, you can control virtually every aspect of the chart's appearance. For example, if you want to remove the title, click the Chart and Access Titles drop-down, then delete the text in the title field. There, the title is gone. This will work well for our example because there is already a title on the slide in the presentation. You can also make changes to the data that the chart uses. In this example, the number 250 was a typo. It was supposed to say 25. So, I'll change it, and the chart will update. Okay, let's go back to the tab with our Google Slides presentation. There should now be an Update button in the top right corner of the chart. If the Update button isn't there, try refreshing the web page. That should solve the problem. To update your chart, simply click Update. The changes that you made in Google Sheets are now reflected in your presentation. That's how you import a chart that was previously created using Google Sheets. But what if you need to create a chart from scratch? If that's the case, go to Insert, Chart, and then choose the style that you want. A chart will be inserted with default styling and sample data. Once again, you can only edit the chart from within Google Sheets, so click the drop-down and choose Open Source. The Google Sheet that opens was automatically created when you inserted the chart. From here, you can edit the data and chart styling just as you would any other chart in Google Sheets. Just make sure that you remember to update the chart in your presentation after you finish making your changes.